The best 6 vitamins to detoxify a fatty liver. More than 40% of individuals in the US suffer from fatty liver disease, which over time can lead to serious health issues like weight gain, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and heart difficulties, to mention a few. What then is the true situation here? The primary function of your liver, which is the second largest organ in your body after your skin, is to filter toxins out of your blood, as you can see from the image. Along with performing over 500 other essential tasks, it also stores nutrients and secretes a liquid called bile that aids in the removal of waste and the breakdown of fat. Now, an excess of inflammatory meals and beverages, such as sugar, fructose, vegetable oils, alcohol, or processed carbs, typically results in fatty livers. These meals harm the cells in your liver, leading to insulin resistance. The cells in your liver subsequently produce an increasing amount of lipids known as triglycerides, which clog your liver. A variety of symptoms, including discomfort or soreness on the right side of your body, particularly the shoulder, neck, or just above your right rib cage, may result from this. Additionally, having a potbelly or round belly is a good indicator that fat is escaping from your liver and is now accumulating around and under your stomach. Some people get spider veins on their skin as a result of their liver's improper filtration of estrogen, which weakens the vein valve. Additionally, enlarged or swollen breasts, particularly in males, man boobs, for example, indicate an excess of estrogen in the bloodstream as a result of liver disease. Since your liver converts 80% of thyroid hormones, liver injury may potentially be the cause of an underactive thyroid. And if you've got a swollen right foot, but the left foot is perfectly fine, this is another common sign that there's poor blood circulation from the liver because of all this fat. It's crucial to remember, however, that some people do not feel any symptoms at all for years until the damage starts to grow worse. Fatigue liver disease can eventually lead to inflammation and swelling of the liver, as well as the formation of internal scar tissue that can result in cirrhosis and fibrosis, both of which are potentially fatal conditions. But happily for us, when you adopt the correct lifestyle and eat the appropriate foods, your liver is one of the few organs that can heal itself entirely. We'll look at the top 6 vitamins in this video to assist flush fat from your liver and shield it from further harm. You'll also learn about some simple lifestyle changes you can make to fix the root of the problem. Bear in mind that I'm using the word vitamins broadly to include botanical herbs and supplements that you can use to clean out your fatty liver. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Yes, choline is the first and most crucial nutrient for the liver. If you'd like, you can treat fatty liver disease by taking 300 mg of CDP choline daily, which helps remove fat that has been accumulated in the liver. Because it aids in the production of bile by the liver, choline is one of the greatest nutrients to use if you have liver disease of any kind. Your body requires bile, a vital fluid, to break down and expel poisons and fats from your body. In addition, choline is necessary for the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that improves focus, sleep quality, memory formation, and the prevention of age-related memory decline. I recommend getting as much choline as you can by consuming whole foods like beef liver, organ meats, pasture-raised eggs, shrimp, salmon, scallops, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Number 2 is often overlooked, but is extremely important: vitamin D. Research indicates that individuals with low levels of vitamin D frequently get fatty liver disease. Because it is produced by your skin when it is exposed to sunlight, vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin. A larger issue is that due to living and working indoors, certain genetic mutations, or just the fact that winter brings less sunshine, billions of people worldwide are vitamin D deficient. You can increase your vitamin D levels by taking 20,000 international units of vitamin D3 and 200 micrograms of vitamin K2 in the form of MK7 daily. You need these two together, as they work synergistically to enhance the function of your liver, helping to lower inflammation in the liver cells, prevent scar tissue from forming inside, and also to help the liver cells regenerate from existing damage. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. The next treatment is a very potent medication known as TUDCA. As previously discussed, your liver secretes bile, a vital liquid that aids in the breakdown of fats and cholesterol in the body, as well as the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamins A, D, E, A, K, A, K. Unfortunately, bile deficiency affects a lot of people, making it hard to effectively digest fats. This eventually results in issues with the gallbladder, gallstones, malnourishment, and in the event that a bile duct becomes clogged with one of these stones, pancreatitis. TUDCA is useful in this situation. For hundreds of years, people have utilized TUDCA, a synthetic bile substitute, to treat digestive and liver disorders. To assist thin out the bile from your liver and help flush out toxins and fat from your body, you can take 1 or 2 capsules in the morning on an empty stomach with a tall glass of water. To aid in the breakdown of the fats in that specific meal, you can also take 1 or 2 more after each meal throughout the day. If you have had your gallbladder removed, this will be very beneficial to you. Let's go on to number 4, vitamin E, an antioxidant. Eliminating dangerous poisons from your body, including pesticides, heavy metals, pollution from the environment, food additives, pharmaceuticals, medications, and all these other compounds is one of your liver's primary functions. In order to detoxify and eliminate harmful toxins, the liver creates one of the most effective antioxidants of all, called glutathione. However, if your liver is fatty or inflammatory, your glutathione levels may decrease and toxins may start to accumulate in your blood and tissues, which may eventually lead to immunological disorders. Eat a lot of vitamin E-rich foods, such as unroasted sunflower seeds, avocados, almonds, Swiss chard, hazelnuts, and leafy green vegetables to increase your glutathione levels. The finest natural source of vitamin E, if you'd want to take a supplement, is tocotrienols. In more advanced stages of liver illness, they are part of the vitamin E complex and have been shown to be 50 times stronger than ordinary tocopherols. They can aid in the dissolution of scar tissue and fibrosis. Next comes milk thistle, one of my favorite and most effective herbal therapies for liver cleaning. Milk thistle is a plant that has been used for millennia to cure the body because it includes a class of phytonutrients known as silymarin, which have strong detoxifying effects. To assist enhance the activity of the liver cells, 3 times a day should be spent taking the complete dried milk thistle plant. Research indicates that silymarin can help reduce insulin resistance, which is frequently the primary underlying factor that leads to a fatty liver in the first place. It has been demonstrated that milk thistle enhances liver enzymes, aids in the body's detoxification of drugs, alcohol, poisons, and environmental pollutants, and above all, increases glutathione, the master antioxidant that can keep your liver from being harmed and progressing to cirrhosis or fibrosis. Finally, but certainly not least, there is SAMe. Many people have fibrosis, fatty liver disease, and inflammation as a result of consuming excessive amounts of inflammatory foods, chemicals, or medications that destroy the body's free radicals. SAMe is a very potent molecule that may be taken in capsule form to counteract this damage. The recommended daily dosage is 200 mg, which can be gradually increased to 12 mg by spacing out the dosages. SAMe significantly raises glutathione levels and reduces inflammation, both of which contribute to better liver function. According to studies, this substance aids the liver's stage 2 detoxification procedures, which methylate the toxins and poisons in your blood and break them down into innocuous particles. As you can see, there are some fantastic supplements and nutrients that help to clean out a fatty liver, so try out 1 or 2 of these and see which works best for you. Later in the video, we'll explore some simple lifestyle changes that you can make to help strip fat from your liver by triggering certain healing processes. But first, let's go a bit farther and examine the fundamental origins of this illness. A high-carb diet, which involves consuming an excessive amount of foods high in sugar, starch, or fructose, is the primary and most prevalent cause of fatty liver disease. This causes the liver to create an increased amount of cholesterol and triglycerides. Regular use of antibiotics or painkillers can harm liver cells and lead to internal fat accumulation. We are discussing drugs such as corticosteroids, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, and other prescription drugs. Due to their involvement in liver function, deficiencies in choline, niacin, folate, vitamin B12, or vitamin D can also result in a fatty liver. Consuming too many artificial sweeteners can reduce the number of friendly microbes that live in your gut, which weakens the walls of your intestines and causes liver inflammation through a process called leaky gut syndrome. Finally, drinking too much alcohol is a very common root cause of fatty liver disease, as alcohol is a toxin that has to be detoxified by the liver and can cause a range of problems. Give up all consumption of inflammatory seed oils, including but not limited to maize, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy, and less expensive processed olive oils. Instead, start consuming anti-inflammatory fats, such as extra virgin olive oil and virgin coconut oil, which you can use in your mouth-watering homemade meals because they have been shown to have liver protective qualities. To help the liver flush out waste products and toxins, you may also take 1 teaspoon of MCT oil daily or virgin cod liver oil for an increase in omega-3s. Taking a purified bile supplement in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach, will help thin out the bile generated in your liver and gallbladder. You can take a digestive enzyme supplement or TUDC of purified bile salts. Just make sure that it contains ox bile in the ingredients list. Any of these supplements can help to eliminate fats from your liver and prevent the formation of gallbladder stones, which are made from concentrated cholesterol. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about the dangerous foods that cause liver damage, then go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.